Are you having the disk flow issues? Is your C drive almost full? Is your computer really slow because of the disk flow issues? If they are, then you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Chala and I'm going to guide you through the process of cleaning up your disk in a really easy and simple way. We're going to do this in 5 easy steps. So without further ado, let's just begin. For step number 1, what you want to be doing is just go to your start button, type in this PC, press enter. As soon as it opens up, just go to your C drive where your Windows is installed. Go to the Windows folder. We are going to look for a folder called software distribution. As you can see here, software distribution. Go inside that, go inside the download folder and just select everything and press shift delete. Now this is the folder that contains all of the Windows installer files. If you have recently updated the Windows, it's absolutely fine. You can just go ahead and delete these. Press yes. Provide the administrator access. And it's fine. That's the end of step number 1. Now for step number 2, what you want to be doing is go to your start button one more time. Type in run. Now once your run opens up, you're going to open up the cleanup manager, which is Clean MGR. Press OK. Make sure your C drive is selected because C drive is where Windows is. Hit OK. Now there will be a new window popping up. What you want to be doing is just select everything. Make sure you select every tick mark. Press OK. Now, as you can see from this option, it's going to remove 316 MB of total junk files. So let's just delete that. And that's it. That's the end of the step number 2. Now for step number 3, what you want to be doing is go to your start, open up the run one more time. Now just type in WS reset, press OK. It's going to open up your Windows Store. What this does is that it actually cleans up some of your cache files from the Windows Store, and if any applications that you want to be installing from the Windows Store, it will show up all of the applications here. So let's say you want to delete anything, you can just delete from here. I don't have currently installed anything, so it's not showing up for me. But if you have any unwanted application that you just want to remove, that you can do it from here. And for the next step, what you need to do is go to your file explorer, go to the downloads folder. Now once you go inside the downloads folder, the downloads and the documents, what you want to be doing is do a right click. Click on sort by size. It will show up all of your files which are actually more in size. For example, for me, probably this CapCut file, this is quite big. This Resident Evil 4, this is quite big. So if I want to free up more space, I can just delete the big files if I don't need them. And that's it. That's the end of step number 4. Now for step number 5, what you're going to be doing is just go to your start button one more time, type in control panel, open up the control panel, just press enter. Go to this option called uninstall a program. Now once you go here, you can just see all of the applications that are currently installed in your computers. So let's say you don't have any use for some of these applications, that you can just uninstall from here. Just click on this option called size, and you can see any application that is taking up more space or more area. You can just delete from here. For example, for me, this right client, this one is having 31.3 GBs of space. So if I don't need it, I can just uninstall this. I can just uninstall this DaVinci as well, Adobe Premiere Pro. These are all taking high amounts of space. So if I don't need them, I can just delete them, and it will easily free up some more space. So that's it. That's the end of the video. Like, these are the 5 very easy and simple steps. So if they helped you out, please leave a comment down below for me to know. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.